Alright, today Teacher Sunny is here again to explain another problem. This is a commonly mistaken question, so these are all about basic concepts. But there are many such problems at this stage, especially for lower grade students who are prone to making mistakes. So this is a classic, commonly mistaken question. Let me share it with everyone again. Let's take a look. 500 is how many times greater than what number by 4 times? It's obvious that 500 is greater than this number by how much? It's greater by 4 times. So what does greater by 4 times mean? It means it's 4 times more, not just that 500 is equal to 4 times that number. This means it's not simply equal to 4 times that number. In fact, it's actually greater, meaning it's 4 times more. In other words, when we use the method of combining shapes, whenever we see multiples, we can usually use a bar diagram to solve the problem. Or you could say use a model diagram. This way it's very intuitive and easy to understand. So as we can see, 500 is greater than this number in parentheses. So for this number in parentheses, we treat it as 1 unit. Right? Treat it as one single unit, using it as a kind of standard or reference value. So relatively speaking, 500 is actually 4 times greater than it, right? In other words, it's 4 times more, which means it's actually 5 times as much as the number in parentheses. Okay, now let's look here together. You can see very clearly, look, isn't this the extra part that we are talking about? Isn't this the extra 4 units that are being added on top of the original 1 unit? So here it increases by 4 times. So what does this part mean? It means it's 4 times bigger, right? That's what 4 times bigger means. So you have to be careful here. And this is the underlying principle behind it. Actually, drawing it out step by step makes it very intuitive and clear to understand, so we can very easily and quickly calculate it right here. Yes, now we know exactly how it works. What about the number 500? Well, how much is exactly one triangle? Since 500 equals 5 triangles, one triangle represents 500 divided by point divided by 5, right? Which simply equals now 100. So that means the answer is 100. Now we know that the answer to this question is 100, so we just write 100 in the blank space provided. Did you understand how we got that answer? If you did, please give the teacher a like and follow for more helpful lessons. Your support really helps, and I hope you found this explanation useful. I hope that once you've learned this, you can share it with more people so everyone can learn together. The lessons taught by the teacher here are completely free, so feel free to share and learn together. If there's a chance, Teacher Sunny will also do live streams. Those are also completely free. You don't have to spend a single cent. Once you've learned it, parents can immediately guide their children. Thank you.